Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just changing some pipe work, changing a lever valve, because the one that we had here had seized. I did give it some easing and greasing and it moved a bit, but ideally having a local isolation that doesn't isolate is no use. So new valve has been installed over here. I wonder what you put on your joints when you're tightening them up. Do you just put on Loctite threading, or do you put on paste? Or are you one of these paranoid people like myself that puts on Loctite and paste? Let me know in the comments below. So here we are, I have my stillies here, and also this nice extension, because when you're on your own at times and you don't have someone else to pull the other direction, you need to just have your extension in your stillies. And this one, it doesn't fit so much because it's got the rubber on, but these alley ones go into it quite well. So you've got your extension there to pull one way. I had it earlier where I had it going down here and the other one going the other direction. My 48s. Just a little tip if you're ever working on your own, make sure that you have a connection that you can put your stillies in. You may not have a set of 48s, so any other tips that you have for lone working to just help you out when you're doing pipe work, especially threaded pipe work, please leave those in the comments below as well. So just changing this connection here, changing this lever isolation valve. I'll just show you over here. So here's one over here at the moment. This one is a bit more free moving. You see, it moves when you turn it, and the other one wasn't budging, so it's being changed. Okay, yeah, as I said, please do share in the comments below what you do. Do you use Loctite? Do you use your gas seal, or do you use both like I do myself? Let me know. And any tips, as I said earlier, that you have, please share them. Do you use a threading machine? I don't walk around with a threading machine, although I would love one sometimes, and some spare pipe so that I can just thread my own joints. It'd be nice to have a vise in the van and a threading machine, or one of these mechanical threading machines, the electric ones that you could use, as when you're doing pipe work you need those sort of things, don't you? So I've disconnected my union down there, and gonna connect my bush later and connect into here, and then have something similar to what you have over there. Ensure that it's clipped when you're doing your pipe work and so on, especially gas pipe work. Ensure that it is clipped and that you carry out your tightness tests afterwards so that you have no leak. I'm going to have to purge this gas supply later because I disconnected it, so it's going to need purging. I've purged it to air, now I'm going to have to purge it so that I have gas in the supply. Alright, I hope this video has helped you. I'm not sure what else I can impart to you on pipe work. Just keep yourself safe when you're doing pipe work, especially when you're on your own. If you have to do threading and so on, try and wear gloves if you can as well. Alright, until next time, bye.